welcome to the vlog. We are going to explore Landstuhl Castle with the little man. We got the hubby here. Forerunner made it up the hill.
We made it. We here, y'all. We here with the Mirandas.
Yup. We're reunited.
Yeah, reunited with them. Exploring Germany together. Hey! Let's go.
She's warm enough.
Little Scarlet.
What do you think, babe?
I want her to be warmer.
Okay.
And we here in NANSTEIN. Better check it out.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So these are ruins. It's obviously in ruins at the moment. But you can still see the bars on the window, which is crazy. If it was open, we could probably go in the tower and walk around in the tower. But today we're just gonna hike outside and check it out. E's first castle.
Yeah.
Is it your first castle?
Mm-hmm. First castle.
First castle hike. Let's see.
Doesn't feel like a hike yet.
We just got started.
Yes.
But we'll see.
Little baby.
Yeah. Put your face there. Not on camera, but I see you.
Hey!
Yeah, baby. I told you that's the gate.
Get up there. Bro, look. I'm looking. I'm looking. Look, we on the bridge. Oh.
That's the guard's post. You gotta see who's coming to let them in.
Baby, hold the baby. I'm going up.
The guy's exploring. Hey. So, now that I see this part, maybe this was a rock that was already here and then they built the castle around it. Because I feel like that's how they did things back then. But like, wow, I was not expecting to see a red rock in Germany. A red clay looking rock. This little boy's not really having it. I think he might be ready for a nap. But the guys are having a fun time checking out the guard's post. But this place looks really cool. Landstuhl?
Landstuhl.
Landstuhl.
Mm-hmm.
Might be saying that wrong too. It's a pretty big village compared to the villages near us.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Oh yeah. So we just found this penny spot. Changing 5 cents into
this right here.
Oh.
That ain't no 5 cents. It's $1.05.
$1.05. What we got?
Yeah, I don't have.
Oh
A little
wow.
historic piece.
Vlog it. Wow. Oh yeah, that's nice.
It squished the shit out of there, huh?
She had put some. She had put her back into it though.
Yeah.
Where's the odds when you did it?
That old school ancient.
I don't got the Romans.
We can come back.
You need it? What do
What you need? You need one?
I only got.
You need to pick nothing.
Come on, E, get it. Get it. Hey.
Which one did you got?
You just stepped all over my shoe.
Burg, NANSTEIN,
Burgoyne Landstuhl.
Here's the faucet in the back one.
We need to do a video, just German names, German city, and just try to pronounce them, you know?
That'd be a good one. Would you guys like to see that? Just trying to pronounce German names.
German
Burg,
cities,
Landstein.
German foods.
Ooh, that's
Yeah.
a good one. I like that.
That'd be a good one, right, man?
What?
To pronounce German names, German foods.
Oh, like a YouTube video?
Yeah, like a YouTube video.
I'm so
If they want to hear that, yeah.
Alright guys, that's it for NANSTEIN Castle.
Yep.
We're about to go find something to eat.
We saw it. We couldn't go inside though, Corona, you know.
Yep, sadly.
Could not go inside when we saw the outside.
So that just means we gotta come back.
Yep.
Come back to see it.
See the inside of it.
But the outside was pretty. And there was this beautiful spiral staircase that was like collapsed. It would have been so cool to go in it.
Yeah.
So let's see if we find anything vegan around here.